Good morning, everyone. Hello, my name is Erdini Zartarekri, with student ID number is 2023.01.5076 from the Diploma 3 Informatic Engineering. Today, I'm going to present about the mid-semester examination for English 3. Part A, Adverb Clause. Number 1. What is an adverb clause? An adverb clause is a type of dependent clause that acts like an adverb in a sentence. It gives more information about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It usually tells when, where, why, how, for what purpose, or under what condition something happens. Adverb clause always start with subordination conjunction and can be used on their own. Number 2. Difference between subordination conjunction. A. After versus once or as soon as. After shows that one action happens later than another action. The example: after he left, I locked the door. Once or as soon as shows that one action happens immediately after another action. Examples: as soon as he left, I locked the door. B. When versus whenever. When refers to a specific time or moment. Examples: when I arrived, it was raining. Whenever means every time, used for general or repeat situation. Example: whenever I arrive, it always rains. C. When versus by the time. When at the moment something happens. Examples: when I got home, he was cooking. By the time shows that something else has been completed earlier. Examples: by the time I got home, he had finished cooking. D. Because versus know that. Because gives a simple reason, expresses the cause of the action. Examples: I will stay home because I was tired. Now that gives a reason based on a new situation or new condition. Examples: now that I'm rested, I can work again. E. Even though versus even if. Even though shows a contrast based on fact. Is used for real situation. Examples: even though it was raining, they play football. Even if shows a contrast based on possibility. Hypothetical is used for imaginary or possible situation. Example: even if it rains tomorrow, we will still play football. Part B. Adjective clause. What is an adjective clause? An adjective clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adjective. It describes or gives additional information about a noun or pronoun. It usually begins with relative pronouns or relative adverbs. Two function of relative pronouns and adverb plus examples. Relative pronouns. Number 1. Who for people, subject role. Who identifies which person is doing the action in the clause. Examples: the boy who is wearing at a hat is my friend. Number 2. Whom for people, object role. Whom is used when the person receives the action in the clause. Examples: the woman whom we met yesterday is a lecturer. Number 3. Which for things or animals. Which is used to add information about a thing or an animal. Examples: the laptop which I bought last year is still fast. Number 4. That for people or things. That identifies essential information about a person or a thing. Examples: the car that he drives is new. Number 5. Whose shows as possession. Whose shows that something belongs to the noun mentioned. Examples: the student whose bag was stolen is reporting it. B. Relative adverbs. Number 1. Where for place introduce an adjective clause about a location. Example, this is the cafe where we first met. Number 2. When for time introduce a clause about a specific moment in time. Examples, 20 and 23 was the year when I graduated from high school. Number 3. Why for reasons introduce the reason behind an action. Examples, she finally explained the reason why she was so upset. Number 3. Essential versus non-essential clause. A. Essential clause, restrictive clause, gives important information that identifies the noun. Without it, the meaning becomes unclear. No commas are used. Examples, number 1. The students who study hard get good grades. Number 2. The book that she recommended was very helpful. B. Non-essential clause, non-restrictive clause, gives extra information. If removed, the sentence still makes sense. Use commas. Examples, number 1. My laptop, which was a gift, is very important to me. Number 2. The laptop, which was a gift, still works well. Thank you for today.